Do you want to reply a message on Twitter X? You can reply a chat on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reply to a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where the message is located. Scroll and find the message you want to reply to. Tap on that message once or press and hold it for a second. A reply option will appear on your screen. Now, tap on Reply. This will open the message reply box. Type your reply in the text field. Once your reply is ready, tap the Send button. Your reply will instantly appear in the conversation thread. The other person will be able to see your message and respond back.